So this controversy involving the Jamaica College goalkeeper getting a 3-match suspension based on the video evidence, Jamaica College are justifiably crying foul as the goalkeeper looked to be in the penalty area when he was deemed to have handled the ball outside and should not have gotten that red card. In the additional 2-game suspension was handed to the player for reportedly verbally abusing the referees and other officials while in the vicinity of the dressing room. So he got a 1-match suspension for the red card and 2 for the verbal outburst. And obviously, 2 wrongs don't make one right. But to send all the right signals of justice and accountability, the referee must be called out and exposed for making a terrible decision. In addition, that red card and 1-match ban should be rescinded, while the gravity of the outburst was of such that the player deserved the 2-match ban. Now that is how you split justice.